Katie Houston, and I go to Elite Edge here in Waukee. I started at Elite Edge back in 2015, right after we moved to the Des Moines area from Omaha. Heard about the 6-week challenge and decided that I needed to find a gym here, and so I gave it a try. I got to know a really good group of girls coming here every day, working hard, saw them working their butts off, and I kind of became friends with them. I've been here ever since, and Eric has kind of been my push to be in here every day. He's a good guy, he's kept me coming back. I took about a year break when I had my 4th child and kind of put on all that baby weight, and then had to get back at it about 2016. The most recent thing that's kind of happened is they did a new thing this year with their back to school challenge, and they did who was the fittest athlete across all the gyms, and I won the first one. So it was really cool. You know, it was a goal. I didn't really have a lot of weight to lose, so it was kind of fun to have this goal to see who could kind of be the best across the board from all the gyms, and it was fun with a couple ladies out in Ankeny and other places that I know to be like, hey, what are you doing? How's your mile going? And what's your squats? So it was a lot of fun, and it was really cool in the end to be the one that gets to say I was the first winner ever. So what's next for me is basically still working my butt off in the gym, and then in 2020 I'm doing a half Ironman. So that's the next thing on my books. Coming in here lifting weights will definitely help with that, and I'll be doing a lot of running and pool work and biking to tag along, but hopefully by the end of next year I'll be calling myself an Iron Woman. So I guess if you're thinking about joining, I would say do it. You could be a lifer like me. I think I'm here for a life, and I just love it. It's a great gym.